Jonathan here with Darrow Kia Madison. Today I want to show you around one of the most exciting vehicles I have here, or have ever had here. This is a steel matte gray 2022 Kia EV6 GT line. Truly a beautiful car, a beautiful paint finish, and it does some really cool stuff. So follow me, I'll show you around. And again, this is Kia's first dedicated platform electric vehicle. The same wheelbase as a Telluride, no shortage of interior space. And the looks on it strike a wonderful balance between futuristic and contemporary and being a little bit too much. Really wonderfully executed. And that's not just true of the exterior. If you check out this interior here, in this particular example, you're going to have a combination of white and black suede seating surface and accents throughout the dash and entire interior with multicolor adjustable ambient lighting. And this car is capable of some really cool stuff. You have one of the most phenomenal camera systems available in any vehicle at any price point, with a 3D camera view that you can control and just slide around, see everything around the car. And it's also capable of coming much closer than any vehicle we've made yet to driving itself, even capable of changing lanes autonomously at this point. And full heads-up display, almost every creature comfort feature that you can imagine. It really has it all. So if you're looking to save the planet in style, shoot us a call or stop by today.